Home security is something that concerns us all. But what goes on at your home when you're not there?
Don't even think about it. You need to leave.
Introducing Floodlight Cam by Ring, a motion-activated security camera that puts HD video, automated recording, and a powerful alarm in your hands. Floodlight Cam is the ultimate in proactive home security. A 140-degree HD camera detects motion and captures video with two-way talk. And two high-beam LED smart lights illuminate every corner of your home for optimal video quality. You can easily customize Ring's advanced motion detection so you only get notified when it matters. Available in 2 weatherproof finishes, Floodlight Cam is easy to install on any home and integrates with a variety of smart technologies. Floodlight Cam is smart enough to detect faces and objects.
Hey, girls.
Hi, Dad.
And works with your other Ring cameras
Oh, hey, can you remember to bring the trash cans in tonight?
to create a ring of security around your home. Day or night, Floodlight Cam watches over your home and keeps you in the know. See security in a whole new light. Floodlight Cam by Ring. A home burglary occurs every 15 seconds in the U.S.
It's just a sensor.
And most take place when you're not there.
You guys lost?
No, this is Mike's place? Mike's place?
No, it's not. You need to leave.
Introducing Spotlight Cam by Ring, a motion-activated security light with an HD camera, automated recording, and two-way talk that keeps you safe and protects your home. Bright enough to light up your yard. 270 degrees of advanced motion detection. Smart alerts to your phone, so you always know what's going on.
Hey guys!
Hey, Mom. Hey, Mrs. Roberts.
Promise me you'll do your homework, okay?
Day or night. Protecting your home has never been easier. Spotlight Cam by Ring. Security for every corner of your home.
Introducing Mini, the new indoor smart security camera from Blink. Mini is mighty, but tiny, which means you can place it just about anywhere inside your home. View, listen, and talk
Hey guys. Hey Mom.
right from the Blink app on your smartphone. You can even get alerts whenever motion is detected. So whether it's an unexpected intruder or the dog walker you forgot was coming, you can protect what matters most, day or night. Mini makes smart home security simple and affordable. Just Blink and your home.
They say home is where the heart is, but most of the time you're not there to receive deliveries, see who comes by, or protect it from unwanted visitors. With the Ring Video Doorbell, you're always home. Ring streams HD video and audio over your home Wi-Fi to mobile devices. With Ring, you'll never miss a visitor.
Delivery from Mr. Phillips?
Great, just leave it by the door, thank you.
And Ring's customizable motion detection makes it easier than ever to keep an eye on your property.
Oh, I see you, Timmy Stevenson.
With Ring's cloud recording feature, you can instantly access, replay, and share your video events. When it comes to security, Ring lets you give the appearance of being home even when you're not.
Hello?
I'm just in the neighborhood doing free house painting estimates.
I'm bathing the children right now.
Most burglaries start with a ring of your doorbell to make sure you're not home. Alarm systems alert you after someone has entered your home, but you can build a ring of security around your entire property in just minutes. Start with a Ring Video Doorbell, then simply add a stick-up cam anywhere you want extra coverage. Stick-up cam installs with one easy click and operates off a built-in rechargeable battery.
Can I help you?
Ring helps families keep their homes secure and prevents break-ins before they occur. During the day, and at night. The Ring Video Doorbell was designed to enhance your home's entry. With a wide variety of faceplate options, you can customize Ring to fit your home's personality. You don't need extra tools or professional help to mount Ring in minutes. Ring works on any home, whether you have available power or not. And should someone steal your Ring, we'll even replace it for free. With convenience, 24/7 home monitoring, and the peace of mind of added security, Ring families are always home. Order your Ring Video Doorbell today at ring.com.
Not only does the Blink XD home security camera stream high-quality video, but it's also very simple to set up on your own within minutes. You won't have to set it up near an outlet or work with any confusing wires. Simply turn it on, sync it up to your mobile device, and it's ready to be used. Tune in anytime via the iOS or Android apps to check on things at home, whether you want to make sure the kids got home safely or to check if the dog is chewing up the sofa again. The built-in motion sensor will alert you when the detector is triggered, and the camera will immediately begin recording a clip of the event. The camera is also conveniently battery-powered from the included AA lithium batteries, with a 2-year lifespan. Cloud storage is also totally free, without any monthly fees or subscription contract, so you can go back and watch old footage if you ever need to check something out. You can create a Blink XD home security system with just one camera if you only want to keep an eye on the front door, or you can include up to 10 cameras on one Blink Sync module. This camera is also weatherproof, so you can put it outside.